saw I couldn't claim no self-defense, so I took off with the morning sun, running from my sin. I ended up in every town where all the bad men go, and they've been running just like me. Someone always knows. He'll say, ain't you the man who shot that boy and won his turn to dance? So will I die in some street that night? No, never have a chance. I never meant to be a bad man, I just had a fast hand. Ain't gonna be nothing in hell. Haven't lived through here, and I'm just gonna walk out and wish you all good night. I never meant to be a bad man, I just had a fast hand. I ended up in Fort Worth, 'cause no one knows me here. Time has a funny way of taking away the years, but I don't mind the changes or the age that's in my face, 'cause there's a piece of my soul in every man I've killed, in every God-forsaken place. I never meant to be a bad man, I just had a fast hand. Ain't gonna be nothing in hell. Haven't lived through here, and I'm just gonna walk out. Yeah, tonight I'll save your life. I never meant to be a bad man, I just had a fast hand. That man, but he heard that I was fast. Started on the whiskey pretty early this morning. That's alright, I was up all night, but I passed out before the sun came up. I really wanted to see one of those. I know that's no way for a man to behave, with a mortgage due and a baby on the way. And somehow I made it to where I'm at. It's been a living as a matter of fact. I get a bad attitude from being tired and running around. I never ask for anyone to say they like my sound. I've never been a part of any musical scenes. I ain't just talking Nashville, if you know what I mean. They don't write about me in their magazines. I don't ask for new reviews on the songs that I sing. Never had a lot of friends, and I'm alright by that. But people keep on coming back, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. for all of my life, but I like the view. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, the yuppies and the hipsters and the wannabe scenes, that ain't down home to me. I like $2 beers, I like $3 wells, and some old honky-tonk bar. I know by the smell, some old drunk on a bar stool on a Merle Haggard tune. That's my kind of room, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. Raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. And I'll be raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys.